Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Fanbasis. To start, go to the Fanbasis website, click sign up and choose whether you are a creator or seller or a user. Enter your email, password and website optional, then agree to the terms and privacy to register. Now verify your email through the confirmation link sent to your inbox or spam folder. Then, log into your dashboard and complete your business profile with name, logo, and payment details. Add your offers by creating digital products, subscriptions, memberships, or services with pricing and descriptions. Here, customize your checkout flows with upsells, order bumps, payment plans, or PNPL options as needed. Configure fulfillment so buyers automatically receive digital files, access links, or services after payment. After that, enable analytics and tracking to monitor churns, failed payments, upsells, and customer activity. Do a test purchase to ensure payments, receipts, and access all work correctly, then launch and promote. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.